All right, Tesla fam, let's go over where to find your Tesla purchase agreement. 1. Tesla account. The easiest place to find your Tesla purchase agreement is by logging into your Tesla account on their website or app. Once you're logged in, go to the Manage section for your vehicle and look for the Documents tab. Your purchase agreement will be listed there, available to download and view anytime. 2. Email. After your purchase is confirmed, Tesla sends an email with all your purchase details, including a copy of the purchase agreement. Check your inbox and your spam folder just in case for this important document. 3. Tesla sales representative. If you're unable to find your purchase agreement online, don't worry. You can always reach out to your Tesla sales representative or contact Tesla support via the app or their website. They'll be able to help you get a copy of your purchase agreement. 4. If you bought your Tesla in person at a Tesla showroom, you might also have received a physical copy of your purchase agreement at the time of purchase. Now you have everything you need to find your purchase agreement with ease. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.